Good morning from Hamilton, Ontario. Today I'm excited to take you on a little tour of this city that has rich history, incredible waterfalls, and unique attractions. So, Hamilton, Ontario is located between Lake Ontario and the Niagara Escarpment, and it has so much to offer. It's got beautiful nature trails, lots of waterfalls, as I said, lots of restaurants, shops, historical buildings, and so much more. Today is a super windy day, as you can see, but I only have today, and I'm gonna still shoot my content. There's not gonna be any drone shots, most likely, but my hair's gonna be like this throughout, but we're still gonna go and shoot the content. So I thought it might be better for me to tell you about Devil's Punch Bowl from the comfort of my car because it's way too windy outside. So the Devil's Punch Bowl is actually a circular gorge that was created by ancient glacial waters. It's a beautiful spot to check out. They have nice walking trails over there, and also they have an amazing viewpoint where you can see the whole city of Hamilton, including a little bit of Lake Ontario as well. So I highly recommend that you add this to your list. I'm now at the Felker Falls Conservation Area, where obviously I'm here to see the Felker Falls. The falls I just saw like a little bit of it. You can't really see too much because of all of the trees around it. And also it has a really nice walking trail around here. So that's something really nice, and it's very short as well. Access to this conservation area is through a little bit of a residential area, and then there's a park, and you just kind of enter from there, and there's parking very easily available. So if you want a nice little stroll when you're in Hamilton, then I highly recommend you check it out. Otherwise, I think you can kind of skip this fall for now if you're short on time. I'm now at the Battlefield House Park and Museum, which is a National Historic Site, and it played a significant role in the Battle of Stony Creek, which was a part of the War of 1812. So this historic site has this beautiful tower over here, and it also has a museum which is housed in a 19th century house. So once you go in, it's kind of like stepping back in time to how Upper Canada was during that time. The museum entry is $10. Unfortunately, it's closed today, so I can't check it out, but I'm definitely going to walk the grounds and embrace this part of history. Back to it being windy, but I'm at Albian Falls right now, which is one of the more popular waterfalls in the Hamilton region. The views are really good. They have these viewing points as well, as you can see behind me. Parking is very easily accessible, and it's completely free. They also have like a walking trail around the falls, so if you have some more time, do check out the walking trails as well. So it's time for a bit of a lunch break, and I'm going to be having lunch at The Mule, which is a Mexican restaurant, and it's got great reviews on Google, and it's also downtown Hamilton. So time to get something to eat. Now that we're done with lunch, our next stop takes us back to the past, this time to Whorn Historic House. This beautifully preserved home dates back to the 1800s and is one of the best examples of an intact historic house in the region. It is filled with original furnishings and artifacts from the McQuiston family who lived here for 3 generations. I have now come to Pier 8 on the West Harbour of Hamilton. This is a beautiful area where you can soak in some beautiful views of the water and the city skyline. If you are feeling active, there's an outdoor roller skating rink here, which converts to an ice skating rink in the winter. They also have a coffee shop with great views of the Marina. I'm now at the historic Lin Castle, which is a very popular landmark in Hamilton. So this 40-room mansion is from the 1830s, and just like the Whorn Historic House, this place also has guided tours which allow you to step inside and see how the castle was in the 1800s. So unfortunately, it's closed right now because it's past 4 p.m. But yeah, I did want to take some time and show the outside of the castle, which itself looks so grand. And fun fact is that this is also where I did my pre-wedding photo shoot. So it's about 5:30 p.m. right now, and I've been at it trying to cover all of the Hamilton sites since about 10 a.m. this morning. So I'm going to call it a day right now, but I'm definitely going to be back to Hamilton because there's just so much to see that I couldn't finish it all in one day. So stay tuned for my next vlog, which I might post in a couple of weeks from now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.